Hello students, how are you all? So today we are going to start chapter 4 linear equation in two variable and we will start exercise 4.2. Before this we have done our first exercise. Now in exercise 4.2 here see question number 1. In question number 1 we have given which one of the following option is true. So we have to tell which option is true and why. So here we have given y equals to 3x plus 5 has what kind of solution? It have a unique solution, only two solutions, infinite many solution. So its correct answer will be it will have infinite many solution. Why it will have infinite many solution? Because when we put as a number of value of x, so we will find the same number of y also. So in this we can make table. So here one table for x variable and for y variable. So when we will put here value of x equals to 0, then value of y will be equals to 5. When value of x will be equals to 1, value of y will equals to 8. Value of x equals to 2, then value of y will be 11. So in the same case, as much as the value of x we will put, we will find same as much as value of y also. So in that case we can say it will have infinite many solutions. So from the table it is clear that x can have infinite many values, and for all the infinite value of x there are infinite value of y as well. Hence third option is correct, that is infinite many solution. Now after this see question number 2. Here it is asking write 4 solution for each of the following equation. So here we have to find any 4 solution. So in this we can also make a table like this, and in this table we will divide it into x and y. So here value of x and here value of y. So here when value of x equals to 0, by putting value of x equals to 0 here, so y will be equals to 7. Similarly when we will put value of x equals to 1, then value of y by putting here in this x equals to 1, so 2 into 1 plus y equals to 7, so value of y will be equals to 5. So in the same case by using we can find fourth solution for this. Now so solving here, when value of x equals to 0, y equals to 7, so one solution will be 0 7. Similarly when value of x equals to 7, then value of y will be equals to, when x equals to 1, then y equals to 5, so one solution will be 1 upon 5. Similarly when value of x equals to, when value of x we will put here as much as the different value. Suppose value of x equals to 3, when we will put value of x equals to 3, then y equals to 1. Similarly when x equals to 2, then y will be equals to 3. So here we can find these solutions. So 4 solutions can be given as the solution are 0 7 1 5 3 1 and 2 3, and we can find another solutions also, but here we have to find any 4 solution. Now after this see its second part. In second part we have given pi x plus y equals to 9. So in this also we will make a table like this. So you can make a table like this. So here we will put value of x and y. So here it is x and here it is y. When we will put value of x equals to 0, suppose value of x equals to 0, then value of y will be equals to 9, and when value of x equals to 1, then value of y will be equals to 9 minus pi. So in this way we can find 4 solutions. So here 4 different solution by putting different value of x and finding different value of y. Here y equals to 9, x equals to 0. When x equals to, then this solution will be 0 9. When x equals to 1, then value of y will be equals to here 9 minus pi. So here value will be equals to 1 and 9 minus pi. So in this way we can find different solutions. So here 4 solutions can be given as this form. So the 4 solution will be 0 9 1 minus 1 and 9 minus pi, and here 9 pi 0 and minus 1 and 9 pi. So in this way we can find its value. Now after this see next question. So in this next question we have question number 3. Now check which of the following are the solution of the equation, that is x minus 2y equals to 4, and which are not. So in this case we will put the value in the given equation. So here we have given 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, under root 2, 4 under root 2, and 1, 1. And in first case, so in first case we have 0, 2. So when we will put value of 0, 2 in this equation, so value of x equals to 0 minus value of y will be 4. So it will be 4 equals to 4, but minus 4 is not equals to 4, so this will not the solution. Similarly we can say that in first case 0, 2, this is not the solution. So but minus 4 will not the solution. So in this case in second we have 2, 0. When we will put value of 2, 0 in the given equation by putting value of x and y, we can find here 2, but 2 is not equals to 4, therefore 2, 0 is not the solution of the given equation. Similarly in third case we have given 4, 0. So in this also solution here x, y, so here it will be 4, 0, hence by substituting it is 4 equals to 4. So 0, 4 is the solution of given equation. So we can say here that this 0, 4 will be, this 4, 0 will be the solution of given equation. Similarly we can try for remaining part also. Now after this, see question number 4. So here find the value of k if x equals to 2, y equals to 1 is a solution of equation 2x plus 3y equals to k. So in this solution the given equation 2x plus 3y equals to k, according to question x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Now substituting the value of x and y in the given equation 2x plus 3y equals to k. So here we will get 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equals to k. Now 4 plus 3 equals to k, then value of k equals to 7. So we can say if the value of k is 7, then here x equals to 2 and y equals to 1, then the solution of equation will be 2x plus 3y is 7. So here value of k will be equals to 7. So in this way we can do this question. So here your exercise is complete, and on next session we will start next exercise. So all of you, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day to all.